Welcome students. Today in this video we are going to do new method of integration that is known as substitution method. As we have done in 10th class, substitution word means putting method. Same thing we are going to do here. Now there is a question what we have to put. For example, we have done a question in previous exercise, integration of x with square root 1 plus x. In previous exercise we have done by the use of making, when power is same, we make the same outside same as inside. Another method, if we are unable to integrate directly, then we put square root term, assume variable t. If we remove the square root, scaling on both sides, we get t square. Derivative of 1 become 0, derivative of x become 1, derivative of t square by power rule 2t, and derivative of t become dt by dx. If we shift dx on the left hand side, we get dx is equal to 2t dt. If you see here, value of square root is given by t, dx is given by 2t dt, and value of x from this line we get t square minus 1. If you open the bracket, overall we get 2t raised to power 4, because t multiply t become t square with 2 multiply with t square, minus 2t square multiply by minus 1, it become 2 outside t square dt. Integration become t raised to power 5 by 5 by power rule t cube by 3 plus c, but we have to replace back the value of t. T means 1 plus x raised to power half. Again power 5 means power become 5 by 2. Minus 2 by 3, 1 plus x raised to power become here 3 by 2. Answer does not change, but this is the another method which is known as substitution method. Another example we are taking here, integration of 2x minus 1 divided by 2x square minus 2x plus 1. If you see here, numerator and denominator are there. In these type, if you see here, there is a difference of degree 1. In this case, as you know, during substitution we put a variable and we take the derivative. Same, if we see here, derivative of this term gives us linear function, so we are going to put denominator here, putting 2x square minus 2x plus 1 as t. Derivative of 2x square become 4x, derivative of x become 2 is equal to dt by dx, because derivative of 1 becomes 0 here. Shifting dx on the left hand side, we get this one. It means whenever we take the derivative, then we take the derivative variable with it. Don't take this step for furthers. If we replace here, if we see here 2 is common, we get inside 2x minus 1 dx is equal to dt. So value of 2x minus 1 dx, which is numerator, it is given by dt by 2 from here, and denominator is given by t. 1 by 2 outside, integration of dt by t, it is like 1 by x dx, which is given by log of variable plus c. Changing the value of x means t variable here, which is given by 2x square minus 2x plus 1 plus c. This is another type. How can we use substitution method? Another we are taking here, integration of x with square root of 1 plus 2x square dx. If you see here, derivative of this term, it is a quadratic, become linear. So we are putting 1 plus 2x square with value as t. We can choose square root also, so we can take square root here, it is our choice. We can take it with square root, otherwise without square root. If we take square root on both sides, after squaring we get this one. Now when we take derivative on both sides, we get derivative of 1 as 0, 2x square derivative become 4x dx, right side become 2t dt. 2 cancel out, value of x dx from here become t dt by 2. Using all the values, value of x dx, it is given by t dt by 2. Full this value we have already taken as t. So overall function become half of t square dt. Integration become by power rule t cube by 3 plus c. Replacing the value of t, it is overall 1 by 6. T means half value of this, means half power. Again power 3 means power become 3 by 2 plus c. 1 plus 2x square is the value for it. Another example, integration of x raised to power 4 minus x whole power 1 by 4 divided by x raised to power 5 dx. If you see here, denominator contains the higher power as compared to numerator. In this case, when fraction power is there, we try to get fractional power to achieve this function downside like this. Getting x raised to power 4 common, we get this one, whole power 1 by 4 dx upon x raised to power 5. If you see here, power again power for this function, we get x raised to power 1 overall, because 4 multiply with 1 by 4 gives us 1 power. 1 minus 1 by x cube gives whole power 1 by 4 dx divided by x raised to power 5. After cancellation, we get here x raised to power 4. As we are not getting the derivative of denominator in numerator, so we are going to make this as a fractional power, means denominator, which gives us power is like this. So we can put this value 1 minus 1 by x cube as t variable. It is our choice. We can take this value, otherwise with power. So when we write x come outside, it become minus power. Taking derivative, when derivative becomes 0, it become plus 3 x raised to power minus 4 dx is equal to dt, which can be written as dx upon x raised to power 4. Means these two terms become dt by 3. Shifting 3 on the right hand side, we get overall this value as t. Dx upon x raised to power 4, it is given by dt by 3. By 3 come outside, t raised to power 1 by 4 dt. According to power rule, power increase by 1 divided by new power plus c. Overall become 4 by 15. T means this function, 1 minus 1 by x cube raised to power 5 by 4 plus c. Another type we are going to take here. For example, we are having like this x square sine of x cube. In case of trigonometric function, always remember angle should be a linear function. If it is other than linear, then we choose this as a substitution method as t. Derivative of x cube become 3x square dx is equal to dt. We are having just x square dx. So getting the value of x square dx from here, it become dt by 3. So it become here x square with dx dt by 3. This becomes sine of t. 1 by 3 outside, integration of sine t dt. We know the integration of sine, that is given by minus cos plus c, replacing the value of t, which is given by x cube plus c. Another example we are going to take here. For example, we are having this one, e raised to power tangent inverse x dx upon 1 plus x square. In case of exponential function, this should be linear function. If it is not a linear function, then we put as another variable. We are taking here as t. Derivative of tangent inverse, if you remember, 1 upon 1 plus square of value with dx is equal to dt. Means dx upon this value become dt. It become e raised to power t. Now what is the integration of exponential function? Integration of exponential function remains same, divided by derivative of power plus c. So it become e raised to power tangent inverse x plus c. Another example we are going to take here, x secant square x square plus 1. If you see again, this is not a linear function. Take this value as t. Derivative of x square become 2x dx. Value of t become dt. We are having just x dx. So getting the value of x dx from here, it become dt by 2. Secant square. This value we have chosen here, t. Half come outside. Integration of secant square we have done previously. It is given by tangent of angle. Derivative of angle is 1, so there is no need to divide it. 1 by 2 tangent of t replaced by x square plus 1 plus c. Now we are going to discuss about the rules. First rule of today's lecture, 1 upon 1 plus x square dx integration. We know that derivative of tangent inverse x is given by 1 upon 1 plus x square. As you know, differentiation and integration are reverse process. So integration of this data become tangent inverse x plus c. Second one, integration of this value. We know that this is the derivative of sine inverse x. Next rule, integration of 1 upon x with x square minus 1 dx. Integration becomes secant inverse x plus c. Same thing we are going to take here. Integrate x cube upon 1 plus x raised to power 8 dx. As we have done the rules, highest power downside should be maximum 2. It cannot be 8. So we are going to convert this 8 power into 2 power by taking this as x raised to power 4 again power 2. To make it variable power 2, we are putting here x raised to power 4 as t. That it become 4x cube dx is equal to dt. 4 is not there, making it as 4. 1 by 4 outside. Upper value become dt from here. Downside become 1 plus t square. This is the integration of dt upon 1 plus t square. Same as dx upon 1 plus x square. It is given by tan inverse x. So integration become here tan inverse t plus c. Replacing the value of t, that is given by x raised to power 4 plus c. Another example we are going to take related to this one. Integration of x square with denominator in square root 1 minus x raised to power 6 dx. Again, as we are having denominator contain highest power 2, so make it as a power 2 by taking square of x cube. Again, putting this term as t, derivative of x cube become 3x square dx is equal to dt. 3 is not there, make it 3 by multiply and divide. So 1 by 3 as is, upper value become dt upon 1 minus t square. This is the differentiation of sine inverse. So integration become sine inverse t plus c. Replacing the value of t, we get sine inverse x cube plus c. Another example, integration of e raised to power x with 1 plus x in denominator cos square x e raised to power x dx. As we have discussed, angle in case of trigonometric function should be linear function, but it is a product of linear function with exponential. So we are putting this angle as t, taking derivative on both sides. On the left hand side, it is a product of two terms. Product rule, first as is derivative of second plus second as is derivative of first one multiply by dx is equal to dt. If you see here, e raised to power x is common, we get inside x plus 1 with dx is equal to dt. This is same as given data here. So upside become dt, it is cos square, inner value we have chosen t, upside become secant square t dt. Integration of secant square is tangent, replacing the value of t, that is given by x e raised to power x plus c. Now we are going to take another type, integration of 1 by x with log of x dx. We know that still we does not have the integration of log x, so we are going to put log of x as t. Differentiation of log of x is 1 by x dx, which is given by dt. If you see here, we can write like this, 1 by x upside log of x dx. With 1 by x dx can be written as dt, and log x we have taken here t. So it become log of t plus c. Replacing the value of t, which is log of x. If you see here, there is a rule we get here. Upside we are having the derivative of function, downside is a function. If you see this one, this is a function, derivative of this function is upside, so answer become log of base. So this is one of the rule given by function downside with power 1 and derivative is upside, then answer become log of fx plus c. If you mention this rule, we can write direct answer from this step to final step without taking any substitution. Second rule, maybe sometime here power is not 1. We shift the function upside like this. Then the rule is, if we are having a function whose derivative is in multiply, then rule is function power increased by 1 divided by new power plus c. For example, we are having 2x with square root of 1 plus x square. If you see here, derivative of 1 becomes 0, derivative of x square is 2x. This is the function which is given by 1 plus x square, whose power is given by 1 by 2. Function has derivative in multiply. According to rule, power of function increased by 1 divided by new power. But we have to mention the rule using integration of derivative of a function, multiply function with it, given by function power increased by 1 divided by new power plus c. Now we are having another example, integration of x plus 1 with x plus log x whole power 3 divided by 3x. As we know, we does not have the integration of log x, so we are going to put this full function as a t, putting x plus log x as t. Derivative of x become 1, derivative of log x is 1 by x, with dx is equal to dt. If we take LCM, we get this one, dx by dt. Means derivative of this function is given by this one. If you see here, x plus 1 is already there, x is there. If we shift this value outside, x plus 1 upon x with x plus log x raised to power 3. If we use the previous rule, this is a function, derivative of function in multiply, then rule is our power increased by 1 of the function divided by new power plus c. Otherwise we can use substitution method also. Another example, integration of cotangent x with log of sin x dx. Again putting the log function, log of sin x as t. Derivative of log become reciprocal first. Derivative of inner value means sin derivative, that is cos x dx is equal to dt. As you know, cos by sin is known as cotangent with dx. It means cotangent x with dx, it become dt. Log of sin x we have taken as t. So by power rule, t square by 2 plus c. Using the value of t, log of sin x whole power 2 by 2 plus c. Next we are having integration of dx upon 1 plus cotangent x. Changing in sin and cos, we get cotangent replaced by cos by sin. If we simplify, changing in denominator by simplify LCM method, LCM come upside, denominator become sin x plus cos x. If you see here, one of the function is same, we try to make it same. If we add in it cos x, then we have to subtract cos x. One term becomes same, again second term left alone. So to make it in pair, multiply by 2, divide by 2. 2 sin x can be written as sin x plus sin x 2 times. Adding cos x in it and subtracting cos x in it. Divide by denominator of it. Denominator is given by sin x plus cos x. Same here, sin x plus cos x dx. If you see here, this term cancel out 1, so first term become half of dx, half. If you see here, derivative of sin theta is cos theta, derivative of cos theta is minus sin. Symbols are reversed, we are taking common, so it become cos x minus sin x divided by sin x plus cos x. If you see here, derivative of sin is cos and derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, means there is a function with power 1 then in denominator having the derivative upside. So according to rule, it become log of base function sin x plus cos x plus c, and derivative of dx become here x only. Next question we are having, integration of cos x divided by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Previously we are having the same angle, now angles are different. So expanding the denominator first by identity a plus b whole square, which is given by a square plus b square plus 2ab. As we know, cos theta plus sin theta is 1 plus it become 2 sin theta cos theta, which is given by sin 2 theta, double of angle, which become x. Now if you see here, we cannot make the same, different function. Derivative of 1 becomes 0, derivative sin theta cos theta. There is a function in denominator with power 1 having the derivative upside. So integration is log of denominator. But we have to mention the rule. This is a rule. Integration of f dash x dx divided by a function is given by log of function plus c. Like this we can do the trigonometric function integration.